Hello everyone, here is Amr Hassanin, and this is a new video to update you on the Bitcoin market. If you remember last video, I spoke about a ranging market that's about to form, and I said that I'm expecting that the price is going to stay in this range. And when I said that it is going to stay in that range, I meant that it's going to test this level one more time. And to be honest, I didn't expect it to test at that level that soon. It just a couple of weeks later, it is at 6,000 now, and it's just about to test this level. So if you remember also, I told you that we should watch to see if the price is going to sustain above the moving average, and obviously it didn't, and it fell below the moving average. Okay. And the second thing that I told you to watch is how when this level to be tested the next time, we should see how the price will approach, how the market will approach this level. And I can see that the market is approaching this level pretty much strongly, and it's strong, and it's building momentum to push down further. And I'm expecting that if it didn't rebound from here in the next few days, it will definitely break that level, and it may start a downward trend. There are some opinions out there talking about game over for Bitcoin if this year-to-date support level being damaged or broke. So if he says it breaks that level, says and Bitcoin will be permanently impaired. And I actually agree, because breaking such levels, such a strong support, will definitely has its own negative effect on the market. It will start a downtrend, and all the optimism and all the expectations that said that the price will go above 10 or 20, or by the end of the year the prices will recover, they will be wrong. The price will take very, very long to recover from this downtrend if it started. So I'm just trying to understand the market, and where is the next point. If it breaks this level, where is the next point where it may stop? And I came up with this analysis that I want to share with you guys, and I split the market to two eras. One era is before the 8th of February, and I call it the bubble era. So I call all this is a bubble and the burst of the bubble. Okay, and after that day, which is 7th of February again, is another market actually, which is more like a normal market with ups and downs, not really a bubble or anything. But we see here that after this market, a downward trend started with an extension. If I apply Fibonacci here to see the extension of this downward trend, so the trend starts from here, okay, and ends here. So you see that the price actually retracts to very close to the 23.6 level, and when it does that, it usually extends to below the 10%, with, as you see, not very far from the 21 level. If you are aware of Fibonacci extension, that is how Fibonacci works. Okay. So this is a downward trend, this is a pullback, and this is extension. And if this 100% is broke, it usually stays somewhere between 100 and 121, and that's exactly what we have here. It didn't go very far, and it rebounded from the 5700 level. So now we are going to take the extension, the Fibonacci of the extension itself. Okay, this is a downward trend which was an extension before. So we will take a Fibonacci for it. Okay, and we will see that here it's touching nicely with the 38.2, and we know that when it touches, it retracts from this level, it will usually go to it will usually go somewhere between 23.6 and 38.2. Okay, so if we remove this Fibonacci now, we don't need it. Here where the price is going to stop next, which is 4,700 and 4,000. It will stop somewhere here and starts to recover. That's if it breaks that 100% level, which is at 5,700. So if you want to actually to be careful and want to if anyone sell his bitcoins here, if you have 10 bitcoin and you sell it at this point, you can buy it again here at 11. You will buy 11 with the same money. You will buy 11.5 bitcoin from this point, at least 11.5. So if you do the math and you find that it's not very safe to stay while this strong trend is coming, downward trend is coming, then you can sell if this level is broke and buy again from here. And I would really advise you that before you decide to sell, you take an advice of a technical analyst if it's confirmed broken level or not. Okay, so once it's confirmed, maybe you can sell. There is no danger if you sell here and buy later above here. It's better than losing 15% or 20% value of your Bitcoin in a couple of weeks. So that's all, and let me know if you have any questions, and please leave any comments if you have, and thank you very much.